What is going on, friends? Today I have an unboxing of Dapper Notes, and I've actually let a few packages accumulate. For some reason, I don't know. I received one, and then I was like, okay, I'm just gonna wait for the other, and I think I have another one on the way. So I thought I would just go ahead and do it right now, instead of um, continuously waiting for more items to arrive. So anyway, this is just a box that I had, but I wanted to show you really quick the new ruler. Let me see. So this is a 2023, 2024. It looks like he changed the direction. Wait, did he? No. No, he didn't. But if you look at like the heading, right? It kind of did change because it should have been like this. Anyway, doesn't matter. It's just there's a new version of the ruler. Yeah. So there you go. I'm saving my other one as a bookmark, and I actually did use the ruler for a project I'm working on, but more to come on that later. Let me see. I think this is the most recent subscription I received, so I should start with these two because these are older. What? I'm not gonna know the details of the items because I've let these sit for so long. Not that I know anyway. I never really know what's going on in my videos, so I'm really sorry about that. Okay, I think I got all of that out. Oh, I believe this came with the Firewood Troop. Look at that, it's super cute, I think. Here's to a cozy winter with great friends. And a cute little sticker. So anyway, we'll look at that later. Look at these little, first of all, sorry, I know I keep like going back and forth, but I love these little cards. They're so cute. Collectible, of course. I think there's 4 different ones, so I'll need to look at my other ones, and I think I have the other ones in here. Another ruler, because of course you cannot have enough. You cannot have too many, and great bookmarks again. Another little sticker. This is cute. Super cute. We have a candy, and this is the Little Forest version. So, oh, that's cute. So which one is this? Okay. Well, clearly this one was open, so I should actually go ahead and open this one. Just to get that out of the way, since it looks like, oh yes, now I remember. This is cute. So let's look at the details. Firewood Troop with Gabriel Rivero. Created in December. Look at that. So I always opt for dotted notebooks. I should switch it up and do graph though, because I think I'm gonna explore the graph world. This is so cool. Super cute. So this one again is Firewood Troop. Oh, that's nice. Just another fantastic notebook. Lovely. All right, let me put that over here. And let's open the newest one, which is Little Forest. This one did come like a few weeks ago. Yes, this is the one I remember. Oh, that feels so nice. It's like a little cozy notebook. So cute. This is Little Forest, and it was created February 2024. So this is the latest one. Edge fuzz can be blown off. Smooth cover with any fabric or glasses cloth. Oh man, like you can smooth it out. Oh yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah. This is super, super cute, super adorable. Let's look at, yellow thread, yes. Cute. This would be perfect for somebody who's gaming, you know, with their Nintendo Switch and keep up with like their game notes or whatever. But it's perfect for anybody. Let's be honest. Super cute. Super, super cute. Let's look at the insides. Oops, sorry. That's adorable. Look at that. It's like a washi paper. Just lock the handmade. Dotted interiors. Little forest. So the design is Natalia Acevedo. She's a Chilean. She's a graphic designer and tattoo artist living in Canada. Cool. That's adorable. That's so cute. Alrighty, I think I'm gonna try to keep it together so that I don't confuse the editions. And then this was something I bought, I think in December. Oh, it says here November. And it was a special edition, if I remember correctly. So let's open it. I think if I remember correctly, it was like a Black Friday thing, like. Oh. I'm trying to remember. I'll put details if I can find the listing still. If I remember correctly, there aren't sales on Black Friday. So he just makes a special edition notebook or edition or something. So I think this is what it is. I don't even want to rip it. Of course I can slide it out, but I just want to have the full unboxing experience. But I just want to stay here and admire this for a second because this is so beautiful. Look at this. Paper is beautiful. Stationery, Dapper Notes. This has a lot of material for me to cut up and just use in my journals. So I think I'm just going to slide it out because that's the easiest. Yay. Okay. I'm going to put it over here. Got this cute little candy. I love the color of that. It makes me so happy. Super cute. Eric, thank you so much for your support always. Enjoy and happy embroidering. Yes, it was like an embroidery version. Look at that. Super cute. I put it over here for now. Oh, and I did buy a pen. I think he had, look at that. Look just how beautiful that is. I know the lighting isn't the best currently, but it's beautiful. Cute little packaging. Oh, I love that. I didn't know about this giveaway, but I'm pretty bad at like showing my notebooks in use, so I need to be better at that because I want to be able to win one of the secret fan editions. Oops. I'm probably gonna take it out because it looks so beautiful. And look at this, cute little pouch. Oh, there's more stuff here. So there's a cute little sticker, Mr. Dapper Notes, cute little sticker. And let's see, organic cotton. Oh, this is awesome. He probably, I think he screen prints this. I don't know. Ooh. It's an embroidery kit. Okay, let's take out the notebook first. Okay, there's nothing else in here. I'm gonna move these for now so we can properly display our goodies. Back mountain stitch embroidery guide. Oh, there's a full video walkthrough of how to stitch your notebook cover. Oh, that's wonderful. Okay, well, I clearly have to go look at the notebook now. This is insane. This is awesome, friends. Oh, this feels so nice. It actually, the cardstock feels a little bit different than this one, the one in his smaller version and the pocket notebook versions, but it's still like a very similar design. You can tell like they are siblings, of course. Oh, here's that. There you go. That's probably why. There you go. Yeah, same design with a little window here. It's just so beautiful. Everything from Dapper Notes is just so exquisite. Pocket notebook size, and here's this large notebook size. It's just wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I'm obsessed. Again, the reminder of the giveaway. So let's open it. Let me see. Oh, back mountain stitch edition. So let's see. Handmade just for you. Enjoy. Oh, I totally missed that there's like, can we see that, friends? I don't know if you can read it. We write to taste life twice, in the moment and in retrospect. And I can forget if okay, yeah, those are the similar messages on here. Yes, okay. Every day is a chance to remember and plan for a better tomorrow. And here, analog tools to capture lives since 2016. Okay. Beautiful. That's beautiful. Oh, so I think I remember now, like, so this is made so that you actually can stitch the cover with the colors that they gave you. Oh man. This is beautiful, friends. Look at that. Like it's a translucent material, but it's like you can feel the print on the, can you feel the print on the, it's very tactile. Like it's got two different textures on the, like one on the front and one in the back. I just feel, or is my mind tricking me? I can feel like the raised design here a little bit. Let's see if, Is there a... This one doesn't have a... like one of those small little cards. But anyway, it's beautiful, friends. I'm sure there's more information on the listing, so I'll put that in the description. Wonderful. It's just... I love this so much. It's so well done, so well made, so well thought out. Oh, and it's a graph paper. I love that. Yes, yellow. Designed by Vika. Or Vika? I'm gonna say Vika. Oh, they're an embroidery artist based out of Leeds, UK. I love that. That's interesting. I love this. This is wonderful. This almost feels like a... It looks like a recycled type of material. So beautiful. And let's look at the embroidery kit. Oh, I don't want to rip it open. Why are we like this, friends? I know there's people who don't care. Like, rip it open and whatever. Let's just use it. And yes. Ooh, so many goodies. Okay, let's keep it all. Let's try to keep it all together. Oh man, this is like a real project. That is so cool. So there's a little pencil included. I love these pencils. Hopefully you can see that pretty okay. And the different colors of thread. So that's that color, that's this color, that's that color, that's this color. Black for, I'm assuming the edges. So that's this color, that's that color, and that color, friends. Hopefully you can see that. Sorry, I'm a little bit off-centered. Plenty of needles, and I thought there were there two of these, or maybe just one? Anywho, oh yeah, see, oh, there were three. So I think these are threading to help you thread. I haven't embroidered. Well, I actually did embroider back in Mexico when I was young. My mom taught me and my brother. But I haven't done it in a long while, and this is very high tech for me. I don't know how to use these, but I think you're supposed to like pull the thread through the needle. Yeah, something like that. There you go. So you insert these through the needle, the eye, and you pull the string. Yeah, perfect. Otherwise, you're gonna have a hard time threading this through the eye. There's tricks, and it's doable, but it's just a little bit more difficult. So yeah, friends, that was that. And let me see, does it say when that was made? Well, it doesn't say on here, but we saw the little box said November. So there's that. But anyway, friends, that is my Dapper Notes haul that I had been hoarding for months now. I know I post quite a bit on their notebooks and the items that I've shopped from there, like their pens. I think I have like erasers and stamps, like everything they make, everything in that shop is just so beautifully thought out and designed, and you just can't help but support. So yeah, friends, that's my haul. What do you think? And by the way, friends, I am interrupting my video because after I had finished recording a few days later, I received my most current Dapper Notes subscription. And so I was like, well, I may as well like tack it onto this video. So this is my subscription renewal. So this is why I got a ballpoint pen with my package, as well as a pencil, and Enon included an eraser. So this is actually different from the other one that I have. Actually, I have 3 by him. So let me show you really quick. Okay, here are the other 2. This is a graphite eradicator that I think I purchased separately, and this is the first one that I received with my very first subscription. So yeah, look at that, super cute. I'll leave those right here. Stickers, candy, another sticker. May your best dreams take flight, Enon. By the way, friends, I had to ask him, like, how do you pronounce your name? I don't know if you noticed, but like, I tend to not say people's names just because first I don't want to butcher like their pronunciation. And so I finally reached out and asked him. And so if you go to the Dapper's Note Instagram, he's got his like personal Instagram linked. And the handle is Enon. So I thought that's how you pronounced it, but I just, and he said like either way, Enon or Enon are both okay. So, and I think he said like most people use Enon, so I just keep using that. So anyway, this is the latest one. This is Danza del Cielo. I forget the details, but we're gonna see it here in a second, so give me a minute. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, let's look at this really quick. So Danza del Cielo Toucan series. The artist is Menka Desai Crawford. Here's the handle. Cover material is linen, cotton canvas. Yes. Alrighty, that is pretty cool. I love the colors. And actually, he did offer like I don't want to like open it super wide because I know like he takes good care to make sure we get a flat notebook, and I don't want to ruin it. But anyway, so prior to these going out, he did offer people a chance to buy beads because this artist likes to work with beads. And so it would have been a cool chance to decorate the notebook with beads, and I slept on that, and I don't know, I should have ordered it, but I didn't, and now I'm like, it's okay. It's okay because I still have my embroidery set that I haven't done. But it would have been nice to get the full experience and the full collection. But yeah, this is the latest and greatest. And I got dotted paper. I love the red with the green. That's nice. So super beautiful notebook. So anyway, friends, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you again later. Bye-bye.